Whether you're a client of ours or not, you might be wondering, how am I going to request changes, or how are we going to give you feedback for the website or landing page you're designing for us? And that's a great question. And here's a quick answer. So let's say you're a client and we're designing a website for you. And now it's time for us to show you your draft, right? We have the first draft for you, the first design. And now it's time for you to give us feedback. Tell us what you don't like and do like. You're going to get a review link very much like this one. And then you're going to be able to comment on the live design that we're currently working on. What's cool about this is that as we go on continuing to manage your website, you're going to be able to continuously come back to this and always request for new changes. So let me show you how this works real quick. So you get this link through email. You're on the website or your website that we're designing, whether if it be a draft or the website that's live right now. And then you're able to see that right now I'm on a browse tab, which allows me to, look through the website and test it as if, I'm a user. And then you could see that you can actually switch to mobile and then to tablet and then back to desktop on this one design, therefore taking care of any kind of feedback that you might need to give us. Here's the next cool thing. You switch over to comment, click on, let's say, this logo, and suddenly you say, change this logo to Forbes 500 logo, right? Let's say you said that. Now, before you submit this, you have the option to leave this comment as a typed up comment, or you can also click on Loom, which will record your entire screen and your voice so you can leave a much larger comment or maybe much more detailed feedback. Let's say submit. You can see that this comment has been left here by me, and this is going to go back to the web designer to know that you have feedback for this. Now, if you notice, this is number 2. I also can reply to this comment, right? Let's say if this was your comment, and then say logo has been changed, right? But as I go adding more and more comments, you'll see that it slowly starts numbering them. Let's say number 3. And now we have a full list of all the changes you might want on your website. Not only does this speed up the turnaround time for feedback, right? You say you want to change, we get it, we make it overnight or we make it the next morning. But what's awesome about this is that you don't have to jump in an hour-long call with us just to ask for a change on your website. You can do it in the middle of the night, early in the morning, whenever you're available. This is a 24-hour feedback system that is always available to you. Now, what's cool is that as these things get completed, you'll see that these comments will disappear. And now we've cleaned up, right, everything that we've solved and what we've done. And if we need to go to a different page to do this, we can just switch back to Browse, click on About, and then you go back to Comment and continue working from there. But that's it. That's how easy it is for you to give us feedback on a website that we're designing for you, a video that we're even editing, and maybe even social media posts if we put it up here as well. Hopefully this explains how that works and you see the value in using this tool, and it makes it that much easier for us to design your website.